site. So here's the finale of what we taught. We taught a hustle whip. Oh, by the way, my name is Wes, and this is Gail, and we're a Hunter Cowboy in Louisville, and this is the 7 o'clock workshop. Hi, Jim. See you soon. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. You're going to rock her. She can 1 foot or not. I don't care. 7 and prep on 8. Spin her by. Keep her. Triple step. And if you don't use your left hand, you're really practicing quality. Her coming all the way through. You're giving her enough rope to get all the way through, and then learning to not over lead on the final angle. Right? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, and 4, anchor 5, and 6, and 1. Really nice. Thank you guys very, very much for helping us tonight. Take care of your bartender and your waitresses, like we say every week. Have fun with your partner. We're going to get away. If you have any questions, call Jim and ask him, okay? Or you can ask me. Thanks a lot. Robert, all yours.